What's up? It's a good day to get your hands dirty and your knuckles bloody, but we're going to change it up today. The overhead camera rig. Easy. Let's get it. First off, you're going to need a piece of unistrut. Second, a 3/8 or 1/4 inch bolt. Third, a 3/8 or 1/4 inch washer. Fourth, 3/8 or 1/4 inch nut. And last but not least, you're obviously going to need a camera. This is a scrap piece of material. Luckily it already has a center hole drilled into it. But if you don't know how to do that, get your measuring tape. This one, 28 inches. Center line, 14 inches. And drill it out. So if you don't want to have this permanently fixed to a shelf, you can use these C-clamps. Then you want to take your bolt, screw your nut on there. Take your washer, put it over your bolt. Slide that into the back of the hole. Take your camera, screw the bolt into the back, then snug up the nut. That's that. It ain't going nowhere. If you want to make it more permanent, we're going to drill some holes. Start off with the 1/8 inch bit. Move on to a 3/8 and just on the top. And if you choose to, throw some paint on it. If not, leave it as is. And now you got your overhead camera rig. So have fun. Shoot some stuff with your camera. And like this video, like it, subscribe it, dislike it. I see y'all when I see y'all.